back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2012 Chrysler 200. We're doing some pads and rotors. Doing the pads, pretty standard 14mm wrench, bolt. Doing the rotors, you need a 5mm Allen in order to get the nut off. The driver's side did not need any persuasion to take the rotor off, but this one needed a persuasion stick in order to get it to come off. Now, for the caliper bracket, you will need an E20 inverted Torx. Yes, Chrysler has gone to a lot of Mercedes style bolts now. See one here, this one here, all over the engine and such like that, since this is a hybrid Mercedes slash Chrysler. But E20 half-inch socket, take it off. I believe you can get a 16 or 17 wrench on that, and it would be about the same. But preferably correct tool works just fine. Lube the calipers, lube the slide pins, put a new scrubber pad on there, put a new hardware kit on there so that the pad moves in and out freely. That's about it. Press caliper back in, of course. Pretty simple, pretty standard, just needed an additional tool that most people don't require. But that's it. Questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.